In this video, I am going to show you how you can upload the video to your YouTube channel from your cell phone. You must obviously have your video in the gallery, and once we are in the YouTube application, we are going to choose the middle button as Mod YouTube application, and we can see plus button, and we are going to select a video here and select a video or gallery and press next. Here we can see create a title, add a description, and if this video is going to be public, if it's going to appear for certain people, if it is going to be provided, only the people will have a link. Now we can put the location here and add it to a playlist and enable comments. Now we are going to go to the top right. Here next appears, and that will be all, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to tell us what you thought of it, and of course follow us on YouTube.